This video is for the resources page, which is on page 62 of your handout. I have already started this page. Like in step 2, you have to put in the browser page title again. In step 3, it just says to be sure you link underlined words to the page as indicated in the link alert tables. So I already put in my resources page title by adding some text here with the heading, and then I also put in content block B, C, and D. I actually just typed that in one text box. You can put them in separate ones, but it's also going to be just fine and the same if you put it in one. I like to put it in one so I don't have to worry about aligning all of them and moving them around. So I went ahead and I typed in all of my text here. So we have to put in two different links here. We have to go ahead and link music library sample to an online playlist link to. And what it just says in C for content block C at the bottom with the link alert, it just says find an online playlist to link to. So I'm going to go open up a browser tab here, and I'm just going to search for like DJ online playlist and see what comes my way for this here. So you can see what's on this one here. No, that one's not one that I'm looking for here. Here we go. Join the party. Let's see what this is. Stream music for free. You know what? This will look good to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select here the URL in the web browser, and I'm going to copy it, Control C, and I am going to go back to my Wix website here, and I will select music library sample. I will click the link icon here, and we are going to link this to a web address, and then I'll paste it here, Control V, and done. So any playlist you want to, this could even be something from YouTube. I'm not picky about it. Like I just did a search and that's what came up for me. Now, the next one here, we need to link the event planning form to the event planning form PDF. Now, with this book, there is a companion site that comes with, and there is an event planning form .pdf. I will also go ahead and put this on Teams as well as on my lesson plans, this file, and then I'll even put the link here so you will be able to find this file. If you look right up here, you can see what the link is that I'm at right now to find this. So I'm going to go ahead and click my event planning form, and it's downloading for me, and I'll open it so you can see what it looks like. This is for DJ Turntable. And since I just downloaded it, it'll be in my downloads folder, but I could also click download here and put it to a different spot as well. So we're basically just going to be creating a link to a file rather than to a different page. So if I select event planning form, and if I click link, I now want to go ahead and link this to a document, and I will choose the file I am looking for. We will need to upload media, and I'm going to upload it from my computer. So I'm going to click upload from computer, and it's in my downloads folder here. I have a lot of stuff recently. I've been doing a lot of stuff for seniors. So my event planning form, and it will take a little bit to upload. All right, so there's my PDF, and I'm going to click add to page, and then I'm going to click done. And so we can see what this will look like here. If I go to preview, and if I click this first link, there it goes, it takes me to that website. And if I click my next one for event planning form, it'll open up that PDF. So I will make sure to get that file to you or to where you can go to download it. And then when you link it, just make sure you are linking it to a document then instead of linking it to a website. There's nothing in here that you need to add a picture or anything, so you could just leave it like this if you wanted to, or just depending how your page looks, you could add an image to the right too.